Hi there, this is James from Burton Waters Boat Sales. Really excited to have this opportunity to show you one of our first in stock, brand new Merry Fisher 895 Series 2. Immediate look, you might not notice some differences on the boat, but I've got to say there's a lot of improvements on the boat over the old one, even though that was a great boat as well. But there's certainly a lot more of a luxury feel about the boat. So just starting from the outside, and we'll sort of work our way in. There's been a slight change to the roof line. As you can see, this one's got the roof bars, brilliant for putting a paddleboard on, especially if you're going to go and anchor off near a beach or down a river. Absolutely ideal with the family. Then down the side here, we've now moved the side gate door, has now moved back, and there's a full depth door. And I'm going to open that up for you in a little while, but I just want to go through a few more other points first. So, this vessel is equipped with the Yamaha 200 horsepower engines, which are on electric steer with joystick control. The boat also has zip weight automatic trim tabs as well. So it's got a really good specification on this boat. Nice handle here, as we did have on the last one. So if you're climbing out the water, you can pull yourself up out of the water. And as you walk through, as with the 895, great news, you get this lovely flat flowing floor through the boat as well. And then a nice big side deck. Really is easy access, handy for when you're doing those fenders, when you're coming in from being out at sea or going out to sea. If it's a little troppy, it does make you feel a lot safer climbing along the boat. Let's have a look at this door. Look at that. That's brilliant. If you've got a linear berth, fuel pontoon, just want to jump, you've anchored up, want to just jump in the water, brilliant. Really is. Lovely door. It's got a nice feel to it as well. Really solid feel. Nice solid catch, which locks in place as well. So great if you've got little children, stops them easily opening it. Then we've got this lovely U-shaped cockpit here. Some good changes here. The table's been upgraded. A lot nicer table now. A lot better finish. You've got some nice inserts for your cups as well. Very easy to fold this seat up here. So you can just turn it into like two bench seating areas. Really does make that quite good and useful. You've also got storage under here as well. Nice big deep locker, great for putting fenders in, as well as having one at the back as well. So, what else has changed? Well, there's been a change to the galley. You've now got this platform that lifts up, and you take the gas hob cover, put it on top, and it gives you this lovely enlarged cooking area. Really is stunning. Also got this lovely lighting through the boat. The colour of the wood's been upgraded as well. You've still got your easy access to your isolators, nice and easy at hand when you get on the boat. And we've also got the deep lazarette. This boat also has the ladder, so it's easy to get in and out as well. Plus, we've got the full carpet. And we've gone for the upgrade on the upholstery. Really nice touch, just finishes the boat off. But there's also some little touches extra, which on the new series. They've now put some panelling down the side there, just gives it a more plusher feel. The boat also will come with a microwave. We're all set up. We've literally just got to put it in and plug it in. And then you've got your 2-burner gas hob just here as well. And obviously that's the part that comes off on that side that slots in. It locks itself into place, so it's really easy to use. Nice sink with hot and cold water. Hot water works off the shore power when you're plugged onto the shore power. Great drawer here. Plenty of space to put red wine, so forth, in there. Lovely cutlery drawer. Plenty of space in there for all your bits and bobs. Another new feature on the new 895 is this seat. So basically what we've done now is you can slide this back, pull this lever out and turn it round. So it gives you more seating in the actual, in your saloon area, which is all on that one level, as we said. Obviously, we've kept the nice big side door. This has got the upgraded option with the overhead cupboard as well. It's also got heating on this boat, which is the Webasto heating. You've got your twin roofs. And this part, as per the last time, literally, you just push that over and it gives you a forward-facing co-pilot seat. Plenty to hold on to, cup holders here, big opening window as well. It really is good, and it gives the new wood does give a good sort of quality feel to the boat, it has to be said. Coming round to the helm. Now, at the moment, the Chartplotter's not being fitted, but it is having the upgraded Chartplotter. So that'll be the 12-inch Garmin Chartplotter with transducer. We've also got, as we said earlier, your zip weight, automatic, looks after itself for you. Bow thruster, look at this, guys, joystick control. And it's not just the fact that you've got this joystick to take the boat backwards and forwards, sideways, turn the boat round, but you can also lock the boat into place as well, so it'll hold its position. Plus, you've also got autopilot. So really handy if you're doing a long passage, set your course and off you go. And also the other advantage of that is if you're doing it single-handed, as you come out at a nice low speed, put your autopilot on, it'll keep course while you just do your fenders and lines. Nice big fridge in there. You've got your ice compartment. So again, if you're partial to gin and tonic, you can have your ice with it as well. And then what I want to do is take you up into the bow in a minute, but we'll do that in just a second. What we'll do is we'll head down below, because there's been a couple of changes down here, and some of those will become apparent when we go up on the bow. So you've got this nice little porthole just here, so you can get plenty of air coming through. You've also got more light coming just through the front there, plus these lovely big side windows, both sides, and then this bed here, which can extend, so you can have it longer. I find that works for me. I'm just under 6 foot, works perfect. But you've also got easy access to storage straight underneath the bed as well. So plenty of storage there. You've got 12 your USB sockets down here, plug sockets, a nice wardrobe just behind me here. It really is a nice light and airy space. Plenty of headroom as well. And then we then have the aft cabin with a little seat, plenty of standing space in there. There's also a fuel gauge for the for the diesel tank in there as well, which obviously goes with the heating system that's on the boat. And you've got plenty of light coming in from above as well. Really is nice. And there's some more padding on the sides there, soften the feel of the boat. Really does have a very much different feel to the from the original Merry Fisher 895. Nice, good quality worktop again, followed through from on the galley. And you've got storage all the way along here as well. And then as we come round, we've got your electric toilet, your water gauge, which we never used to have one of those. And we even got the waste gauge as well. So really good setup in here. Really nice, high quality feel. Has got to be said. Lovely lighting as well as we go underneath the steps and underneath the floor line here as well. So as we come round, what I'll do is take you up the side deck. Let's have a look, see what you think up here. As I say, really nice and safe, plenty to hold on to as you come up the deck. And it's now has been increased in height as you come as well, so it feels really comfortable and safe. And then as we come forward, slight change to the bow. So instead of just having flat bow cushions now, we now have a slighted back. There is an infill for this middle one as well. I've just left it off for the minute. Lets more light into the boat. But it's a great setup with just the 2 pads. And you've also got your cup holders up here as well. And this boat's equipped with the electric windlass with anchor chain. So all good and ready to go from that perspective. So she has a great specification. Key points on this boat is the fact that you've got the joystick, which is down on the helm there. You've got the heating, you've got the upgraded upholstery, you've got the roof bars, you've got the teak cockpit decking and side deck, the lovely side door, the swivel seat, which is an option, the full U-shaped cockpit area with this upgraded table, and you're on brand new Yamaha 200 horsepower. We've got this boat listed on the market as a special price for $199,950. There is also, if you put an order in for this boat before the 31st of August, we'll include a paddle board as well. So we have the full closing kit as well. Got the bimini on, just left the closing kit off for the minute. But as you can see, real upgrade on what was the brilliant boat beforehand, but some really nice touches to the boat, and it just they've lifted the level of quality of feel when you walk aboard. It really does feel a different boat. My name's James. This is Burton Waters Boat Sales at Ipswich. We'd love to see you come and see the boat here on site, or alternatively, we are going to be at Southampton Boat Show on the Jeanneau stand. Just ask for Burton Waters or ask for James. I'll be there. I can look after you and show you on on the boat personally myself, as we will have another one at the show. Look forward to seeing you. Cheers.